Hi YouTube, welcome to Wesbex. Today we've got a 60mm hardened steel Ace padlock. In fact, we have two, but they're key-alike, so I think I'll use them both for my workshops. As you can see, it's a removable core, and is the bitting on the key. Not too bad for a little padlock. As you can see, works a treat. All locked up. Going to see if we can get into it with this lovely little short hook from John Eggington, and see how we get on. I'm just putting the tension wrench only a fraction into the keyway because it tends to block number one. So anyway, see how we get on. Number two, got a click. 3 click. 4 click. 5 click. That's number one. Another click at number 4. Okay, back to number one. Number one's binding now. And we're in. 1, 2 valves it. Okay, so it's a screw, little Phillips screw, a fucking cheese screw, is it? Just put that there. So I would have expected a slightly better screw. Okay, so the big screwdriver works. Helps if you use the right tool. Bring this down here. Straighten it up a little bit. Okay, so we can lock it up. And hopefully we can use the gut wrench, he says, and try that one. Yeah. I'm just getting used to the gut wrench. It's actually really good on most things. Tiny little core on this thing. So hopefully, got John Eggington's titanium. There's my pins. There's my pins. And the titanium follower works a treat. So he's 6-pin core, only populated 5, so they all needed picking. So let's dump these out. Standard, 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 standard. Obviously no mods to the core. So, number one. Okay, we'll go the right way then, shall we? So, number one is a lovely little spool. Number 2, standard. 3, spool. 4, standard. 5 spool, and I'm sure all the springs are just going to be the same, so we'll just dump those out. I reckon I might repin this to 6 if I can get hold of a key. Well, actually, I don't know, this one. Yeah, we can get all 6 in there with that key. So there you go, some lovely little spools there, 3 spools and 2 standards and all standard key pins. So that was a 60mm Ace hardened steel padlock, picked with a John Egginton. Thank you very much.